July ni li sang hi som ni parukan ni he kan news mu hi chon min thong ve det nang ni po a thong ve det ang chu nge kan ti chuanin US te le Iran te kha anin be ani an IO khan in be ve khami Iran IO a US va dor tu te kha khang mi te kha Israel lampangin tha an lo tum ti US lampangin an lo hria a US lampang chuanin Iran hi an va hriat tirani US in Iran an than puitlat mai nga tinge Israel le US te hi thian thaber ang khan ngai an ni thin sia a ril chho le mai he thila hi kan ri ka kan soi zaw main he kan en ho lokang
zirlai tele na thokta ta na thulom om deu nei hostel tharlom nan Joy Girls hostel chuan room tina cheng zanga thep discount pemeka hostel admission team masaber chon cheng sang thum lekin thama saber atan room alwa theidon bok ani mania room in bol theina tur chauka zaw nuam takte in sunga tur washing machine te bathroom te omveka room azaw tha a theng thonuama privacy a tha a zirlai le na thokta tan ngai ven chi tak ani Joy Girls hostel hi college veng le republic in rin na motor sil na chak veng hluya a oma seat atam lo awangin hostel mamo chuan a hnuai phone number kan tar lana hian in lo be thep do ni o
ole tu ta chonin kan reaction ang hostel mamo halo in silpungula in lova lu thep do ni
that because of an eye-opening report from New York Times. It says the US warned Iran about Israel's plan to assassinate Tehran's top negotiators.
New York Times in an report ani khoi mo news channel mai report ani lo he thil hi ril khop mai New York Times mewin an ron report ani Iran negotiators Iran aya palaite US te ne na indoor tu te kha US va dor tu te kha kha Israel lampang hian in tha an tum ti hi US official lampang hian in an lo ring rutlat mai ni he hi tong pong khatia varil hlel ang khani don lo engamoni information hi nei lo se chu khitiang hian in an ring hlel lawanga news po hian ron puang lawang Israel lampang hian in US le Iran hetianga an in rem tur he a mu thei lo po ni mai thei ni a don thiam lo te po ni mai thei chu fan cho hetiang hian New York Times hian ron report mau mai ne.
Let me repeat that for you. America warned Iran about Israel.
Chu tak chu ni mak em chu mo US in Iran hi ava puitet mai ni hemit chungchanga hi chuan Israel lampang hian in tha an ron tum chewania film khurro utin US lampang hian in Iran hi warning an va pe ni an puitat mai.
So the world's so-called superpower snitched on its ally Israel to the country it was bombing, which is Iran. Sounds like the mother of all plot twists.
Plot twist. A movie ate po til mak de win a story te hin her dang lam thina khatiang deu kha heta hian in kan mu ani US le Israel te hi in thian thata kan ni ya Middle East a phei chuanin Israel baka United States te ne na in close hi an kher lawang khatiang ani lai khanin US ina voitam tak abom nu Iran bula hanin information kha va kiu riutat mai ni mo.
Let me tell you about what else is in this report. During the April and June negotiations, the Trump administration was worried that Israel would go rogue. They were certain that Israel would try and kill Iran's negotiating team, mainly the top two leaders, Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi and Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf.
US lampang hian in Israel te hi thil tu lo de le thil a thak de an lo tiang te hi an lo hlau khop maya ti chuanin heta news a ain zia dan phei chuanin Israel hian in target big pani an nei ani chu an foreign minister Iran foreign minister Abbas Araghchi ale Speaker of Parliament Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf ti hi Israel lampang hian in va target de big ani he New York Times na report tlat mai he thil hi chu plot twist chiang lutuk US in Iran avatan pui dai mai ani Pero
Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi and Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf. Senior officials in Trump's team were certain that Araghchi and Ghalibaf were on Israel's hit list.
Israel te hianin tha an tum ngei ni ti hi Trump official senior tak te hianin an chiang ani.
In fact, Ghalibaf has survived 2 Israeli assassination attempts.
An parliamentary speaker Ghalibaf a phei chuanin hepa hi Israel pang hian in voi hi tha an lo tum to ani amaro chu adam chuak ve
The first one was during the 12-day war in June 2025.
Hepa hi nikum June sang hi som ni panga 12-day war ni som pan hi anin do tum khan Israel lampang in than lo tuma ama ero chu an that thei lova.
Second time during this year's conflict. Both times Galibaf was rescued from the rubble of buildings bombed by Israel.
Kumina po kanin an bomani kha building kha amaro chu building khatia ka chiat nuai nakara khanin an wa chan chuak le thei hlau mai ani.
Clearly, Israel wants to assassinate him.
Israel hi anin tha an du ti hi a chiang ngoi ngoi ani kha ta tang khan mo.
That is why the Trump administration raised the alarm.
Tu wan chuan in Trump administration te chuanin heting hianin warning kha an ron pe chuak ta ani.
They were worried that any attempt to kill the Iranian negotiators would reignite the fighting.
Iran hianin hemi an top negotiator te an ram ai o US dor tu te hi chan sela chu Middle East anin dole nuai me ai chu US lampang hi chuanin a muthiam loka he hi Israel hianin adu emoni chu o ti thei turani US le Iran in do ti reng he heting hianin tha an lo tuma nge nia Israel lampang hianin plan dang an nei jok he chu ka hrebik lo.
As per the report, Trump's team contacted other countries in the region and directed them to warn the Iranian negotiators about a possible Israeli strike.
US lampang hianin Middle East Iran ni lo Middle East ramdang te hi an va bi ani chuta an biak na chuanin Iran hi lo va bia ula foreign minister le parliamentary speaker kha Israel te hianin tha an tum mai thei ani ti vasil ro warning va per uti in US te chuanin Middle East ramdang te kal tlang khanin Iran kha information poimo lutuk sensitive lutuk alo va pe ne.
If you go by this report, this is the first time the United States has openly snitched on one of its closest allies.
Hey hi official taka report kan nei thei masak ber ania he official taka report kan nei thei masak ber he na tar lan chu nge kan ti chuanin United States te hianin official takin Israel te hin lo phatsan ke ani amaro chu phatsan han ti khanin United States tan te chuan apoimo dona a chan chu in biaka in rem vat kha ani tan po khan apoimo abigin Trump patan hian apoimo don hei hi chu mo.
Clearly, the Trump administration no longer trusts Israel.
Reporter hi chuanin tong kamaron mangna ang rengkhop maya aron soidana chuanin an le donanga Trump hianin Trump te administration hianin Israel te hi an ring to lowani aron ti top mai ani atong kam chu ron mangna ang rengkhop mai karin dan chuanin khimi scenario khimi situation khimi issue big atan khi chuan Donald Trump te hi chuanin ngoi te u hetianga thengle don ani chuan a thadon lowe hetianga thlen ai chuan Iran te hi tiang information hi iwa pezok mai te ang u hemi atan big chau hian te po anti ve thei tho Israel te an ring to mi alo ti lam ai ma kha chuan hey case by case ang khan an kal ve ang te po ha ani na chen kha om ve theya.
So how did the White House take such a radical step? For that, I take you back to the 28th of February. The United States and Israel launched a joint operation to take out Iran's top leadership.
February ni somni pare khanin United States le Israel te khanin Iran an khamene yete tuna an vuime ka te khan thata ni ho.
And they did achieve that goal.
Khami goal khan achieve
But as the war dragged on, the United States and Israel grew apart.
Amaro chu indowari tel tela US le Israel te khan kal sang tel mai ne.
For Washington, the motive went from regime change to no nuclear bombs to just open the Strait of Hormuz.
United States tang ha chon ya tira ha chonin in ram ro rel tu te kan thla ka ngai ni han te chu min a nuclear ral thuam an soi le a to pa phe chonin Strait of Hormuz kha hong ro ti kha United States te thupui te kal chho zel dan kha ni.
But Israel kept taking out Iranian leadership.
Amaro chu Israel lampang te chonin Iranan ram ho tu poimo tak tak kha alo that bel ve zel ani.
According to the Times report, the final straw was when Israel killed Iran's top national security officer, Ali Larijani. That happened on the 17th of March. The United States saw Larijani as a moderate who they could talk to.
Larijani tuna an thata khemi video kan mu hi Israel hen an lo that le ani hi Israel an than hu khanin an inkar khat le man an khideu akhina sa zual deu achan chu US so ni na Larijani a mudan chu mi pa ngai anga biak thei ti pui ve thei Iran ram ro ro te po tiang khanin United States chu an lo ngai ani ma sa hi Israel in lo that le dai mai.
The United States saw Larijani as a moderate who they could talk to. But Israel killed him, leaving Washington without any room for diplomacy.
Israel khan an lo thata United States tan te chuan tu ma pa ngai taka va bia ka va ti pui thei khatiang han negotiate pui thei ha to ma ha an nei to lo ani.
Fast forward to April. The United States and Iran first agreed to a 2-week ceasefire.
March ละฮันนั้นถ้าอิสราเอลลำพังฮันที่ส่วนนี้เอพริลถ้าส่วนนี้ US เนี่ยอิรันแต่ส่วนอินกาไฮปวงฮันอันเริ่มติดตานี่การหิชู
Negotiations were in full swing, but Israel didn't like the offers on the table.
อามาเราจู่อิสราเอลลำพังฮันนี่ทิลดูเราเดี๋ยวอันเราเนี่ยยันนี่ตัวนี่ขมีอินกาไฮอันปวนหัวนั่นนินดอร์นั่นเวลาฮันโน
According to the report, Israel wanted to assassinate the Iranian negotiators.
Report na talan dan so nin Israel lampang hianin Iran ay wa palay te hi tha adu ti report karon om tani.
So the United States stepped in and prevented Israel from carrying out the strikes.
Kha tak kha ka se thiam. United States chuanin mi pa ngai tak extreme deuh ni lo. Nge ru kol over ni lo ang chi kha biak an duani Iran a han. So va zon larijani kha ni thei turani ma se March tha Israel an that dei. April tha is Iran ai owa palai te kha Israel khan tha andu ti kha report om le US song kha arem ti to lo kha ta kha nen tiang hianin thil alo om ta ani khai kan thiam ta kwar mai ke ma pun kha atok viewani tun chum video tan so no video lai kan ni mulai theu do ne